In 1966, brilliant African-American inventor Marie Van Brittan Brown and her partner Albert Brown applied for an invention patent for a closed-circuit television security system. Brown's system had a set of 4 peepholes and a camera that was able to slide up and down to look out of each. Everything that the camera picked up would appear on a monitor. Also, a feature of Brown's invention was that a person could unlock the door with a special remote control. Brown created an invention that would start the domino effect for all of the amazing home security systems that we use today to protect our homes and our families.